Hi folks, happy St. Patrick's Day. Now I know this year we're going to be celebrating a little bit differently, but I still want to give you something delicious to make at home. This is a corned beef and cabbage grilled cheese sandwich. We're going to make up a very simple coleslaw with cabbage, carrot, a little bit of horseradish and some mayonnaise, and pair that with some corned beef, lots of Irish cheese, a good dollop of mustard, and some really good crusty bread. That all gets sandwiched together and griddled until nice and crisp and golden. You should be left with stringy cheese and absolute grilled cheese perfection. Now, traditionally in Ireland we have bacon and cabbage, but actually corned beef gets its origins back in Ireland in Cork City, where salt beef was a popular ingredient and then eventually made its way over to the States. Now, with this grilled cheese, it is not traditional at all, but it's a fantastic way of showcasing two classic ingredients that do come up around St. Patrick's Day every single year. So we're going to start off by making this very simple cabbage slaw. Just season that up with a little bit of black pepper, give it a stir through, and now you've got a coleslaw that is ready to go. Now that it is, we're gonna make a very simple grilled cheese sandwich, and it comes together with some rye bread, which I'm gonna butter on both sides and give it a generous dollop of Irish mustard. Okay, we've got mustard, we've got butter on both sides of the bread. Now it is time to build our sandwich. We're going in there with our coleslaw, we're going in there with our corned beef, and of course, to bring this all together, some really good Irish cheddar. So let's get going. Give them a good press down, and just look at that. Two seriously impressive looking sandwiches that you could eat as they are, but we're gonna go next level, get these onto the griddle and grill these until all that cheese is gloriously melted. Yes, look at that. Hot off the griddle pan, and you have something that is spectacular. Beautiful corned beef, cheese, and that coleslaw in the middle of it with the horseradish. Let's dive in. Oh man. Whether you do it with bacon or corned beef, it is so good. It's all about the cheese action, and that horseradish that runs through the coleslaw works incredibly well. This is a grilled cheese to make this St. Patrick's Day, and if you want the full recipe, as always, I'll leave it in the box below. It's over on my website. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and leave me a comment letting me know what you're cooking this St. Patrick's Day. Until then, I'm off to eat the rest of this. Slán go fóill.